In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add the radio field in Forminator forms in WordPress. To get started, first you need to install and activate this Forminator Forms plugin. I've already installed it and activated it, but if you need help installing the plugin, then we have a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link it in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen to view the video. Now, to add the radio field in Forminator contact forms, simply hover over Forminator in the sidebar and click on the dashboard. This is the Forminator Forms window, and here you can create a new form by clicking on this Create button over here, or you can even edit an existing form here. In my case, I'm simply editing an existing form. This is the Form Builder area. Now, to add a radio field here, simply click on Insert Fields. From various fields here, simply look out for the radio field. Once selected, click on Insert Fields. In the pop-up here, you can configure various field-related settings, like you can edit the label name here. You can simply enter the field description here, and here you can add the radio options as per your choice. You can edit the option labels like this. To add more options, simply click on the respective Add Options button here, like this. Enter the options label here as per your need. You can add more options or simply delete the existing one like this. You can also set images for your radio options by checking the box here beside Enable Images. Now, to set the images, you can click here or simply insert the Expand the options like this. Now, to upload an image, simply click on the respective link and select or upload the image from the media library. I'm going to repeat the process for the second option as well. Once everything is in place here, let's move to another tab. Under the Settings tab, you can make this field required or optional from here. You can customize the error message as well. You can also change the options layout from here. Radio button visibility can be accessed from here. You can also pre-populate the field from here. Under the Calculations tab, you can choose whether to allow this field to be used in calculations or not. If enabled, the values entered into this field will then be used for calculations. Under the Styling tab, you can add some additional CSS classes to style your field accordingly. And under the Visibility tab, you can control the field visibility. Everything's up to you. Once done, click on the Apply button. You can see the field has been added here. Let's check the preview. You can see the radio field in action here. This is how easy it is to add a radio field in Forminator forms in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. Until next time.